Most people think Dave app gives the same cash advance to everyone. That's where they get it wrong. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your Dave cash advance amount is not fixed. It changes based on your income, spending habits, and account activity. In this video, you'll learn exactly how much you can get from Dave in 2026, and what actually affects your limit. Let's start with the basics. Dave is a financial app that offers small cash advances to help you avoid overdraft fees and short-term cash shortages. The amount you can get is called your extra cash limit. For example, Alex started with a small limit when he first joined. But after a few months of stable income and consistent bank activity, his limit gradually increased. Now here's where most people get confused. They think the maximum limit is what everyone gets. It is not. The actual amount varies widely from user to user. Now let's break down the real ranges. In 2026, most users report Dave cash advance limits starting as low as a few tens of dollars for new users, and gradually increasing into the low hundreds for active users with stable income. Some users may reach higher limits over time, but that depends heavily on financial behavior. Jake noticed his limit increased only after his paycheck started hitting his account on a regular schedule every month. That consistency made a big difference. Now here's where it gets interesting. Dave does not only look at your income, it also looks at your spending patterns. If your account frequently drops to zero or shows unpredictable activity, your limit may stay low. But here's the problem. This is where many users get stuck. They assume requesting more money will increase their limit. That does not work. Dave does not raise limits based on requests. It raises them based on stability. In a minute, I'll show you the simple habits that can help improve your limit over time. Let's talk about what actually increases your Dave cash advance amount. The first factor is consistent income. Regular deposits from the same source signal financial stability. The second factor is positive account balance trends. If your account stays healthy, instead of constantly empty, it builds trust with the system. The third factor is responsible usage. If you repay advances on time and avoid frequent overdraft situations, your profile improves over time. Now here's where it gets interesting. Dave updates your limit gradually. You will not see sudden big jumps. Instead, it adjusts slowly as your financial behavior improves. So how much can you realistically get in 2026? Most users can expect small starter limits when they first join, with the potential to grow into higher short-term advance amounts over time if their financial activity remains stable and consistent. The key takeaway is simple. Dave does not give a single fixed amount. It rewards consistency, stability, and responsible usage. If you want a higher cash advance limit, focus less on the app and more on your financial habits. That is what actually drives your increase. If this helped you understand how Dave works in 2026, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.